finding the right job.
Yeah.
So most of the people have this problem कि मेरे को तो job ही नहीं मिल रही. How can people who are listening to this, if they are feeling that they can't find a job, how can they find a job? What can they do to themselves to prepare themselves to get ready to get job at any good MNC?
So this is where they can actually use whatever they are consuming as content on social media and translating it into real information, right? So what I mean by that is, when you're trying to acquire a job, you are a product.
Okay.
You have to sell yourself. Whether you like it or not, you are a brand. Now you don't have a personal brand manager, right? At home, right? I wish we had. We don't have. Even you don't have, I'm sure.
No, there's no.
You probably at worst have a PR team who you have to pay a retainer or whatever. People don't realize this, right? So they have to first of all understand what is their brand. And what is their brand? So today if somebody says, hey, do you know Raj? Yeah, very smart guy, young, entrepreneurial, things different, that's your brand. So what are the 3 or 4 things that people talk about? You is your brand. Now when you're trying to get a job, so let's say that you want a sales job, when you're applying for a sales job. The company is going to look at, is this person someone I can send to a customer that the customer will buy him? Buy him. They're not buying the product. They're buying him. I'm sure you'll agree with me, Raj, that when you go to buy a lot of things, a lot of times you buy because you like that person.
Yeah.
The person is, in Western countries and India, I've seen this big difference. When you go to buy a dress, or you go to buy a shirt or a pant, the person selling you that particular stuff, if they help you choose, they come with you to the dressing room, give it to you and say, please try. And then when you come out, they're giving you comments. Arey, ye acha tha, sir. Say size is a bit. You will 99.9% buy it.
Yeah. Yes, because there's a guilt.
Yeah. And they are giving you the experience. So you have to also, when you're applying for a job, so your question was, how do they find a job? First of all, they need to know what is their brand. How will they find out? They ask people around them, parents, friends. If they're in college, ask the professor or ask their acquaintances, what do you think of me? What are the words, adjectives that comes to you when you see me? And then you look at what are the job I'm applying. So you prepare yourself, you brand yourself, and you put yourself out there. Now there are thousands of people applying for jobs. Organizations don't have the bandwidth. Yeah. If you're complaining that I'm not from a premium college and companies are only recruiting from premium college, you don't blame the companies, because we don't have the bandwidth to scan through so many resumes. So we just say IIMs and IITs, please apply, because immediately we are filtering.
Yeah.
And that filter itself is a very big number.
Filter, yep.
Right? Wahan se bhi we'll get hundreds of CVs.
But how can someone who's not from IIT can filter that out and actually get in your good list?
That is where the branding comes. So if you can actually, for example, very small things like, if you can become a thought leader in LinkedIn, you put out your thoughts, and then, for example, you go into some CEOs who are actually active, you go and comment on their profiles in a very proper way, not just like thank you very much, or I like this and stuff, something very useful. Or even what today I feel the social media interns are doing a great job. When somebody is applying for a job with you, they will take your old video, do something, send it to you. You can do the same in companies as well. You can look at what are we doing, what are we working on. There's a lot of information in the internet. We would have done press releases, we would have done media interviews about what are we planning long term. Like for example, we're going to expand manufacturing in India. So maybe you look at all that and then say, I've seen that this is what you're working on, this is what I'm going to bring to you. Then you can directly write to people. You can directly write to CEOs, HR heads. 90% may not see it, but there's a very good chance that 10% will see. Like today, for example, and I'm going to be, shooting myself in the foot when I say this, 100% of resumes that I get on social media, I always look at them. 100%. I always look at them and I ask them what location you're interested to work, what kind of job. I look at it and I send it to my team. 100% they will get an interview call.
Wow.
Whether they succeed after that, that's not in my hand. So I immediately tell them, please don't follow up with me. If you get the job, you will know. So at least I prevent them harassing me all the time. Can you recommend me, refer me?
But you have done a great favor to someone who's looking for a job at
Absolutely.
the same time.
Absolutely. And that is why I even put once, I know I wrote a content that don't send hi, hello messages. Because we get thousands of that.
Yeah.
Come to the point, tell me why should I read your message or send me a video message. How many people send you video messages? This I learned from a young boy, he said he was trying to date and he was not able to find a girlfriend. So instead of just sending message, he sent a video. Hey, I think you're extremely cool, I think we should go out. And that was the only video she got from many guys and she said, let's
Oh,
go.
such a cool way to stand out.
Seriously, that is the answer, stand out. Which why I call it chase obscene success. That is the same thing, You have to stand out, especially in countries like India with a huge population. You got to differentiate yourself, and then you will get the job.